Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the Euro Yen has been very choppy price action. Technically, the market flow is down on the daily and the 4-hour, but the trend itself is definitely up because it has not broken structure. So what does that mean? It potentially could, bounce from the fib level and continue the uptrend pretty easily if it wants to. But because the market flow is down on the daily, I am definitely looking for shorts. Some of these little shorts these last couple of days have definitely produced a pretty nice amount of pips and profit. So right now, what I actually have is I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. If this does make a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce, I would definitely take it as a short. I kind of think that it might try to go up and grab some of these highs before it goes down. But, like I said, if it does make a nice engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level, it definitely would be worth going short again because, like I said, some of these moves to the downside over the last couple of days definitely produced some pretty nice amount of pips. So why not continue to take advantage of the daily time frame flow, which is currently down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.